amazing benefits of the plank exercise: core strength, flexibility, and more. Intro. Today, we'll be talking about the plank exercise, which is an effective isometric core exercise. In this exercise, you hold a position similar to a push-up, engaging your core muscles. We'll discuss the benefits of planking, the correct form, and how it can boost your fitness journey. 1. Plank exercise and your core. The plank activates your core muscles while putting minimal compressive force on your lumbar spine, lower back. This is different from crunches or back extensions, where there is more strain on your back. By doing planks, you can build core strength without putting extra stress on your lower back. 2. More muscles. Engaged, planks don't just work your core, they engage your whole body. Your arms, legs, and abdominals all get activated during the exercise. This makes it a more efficient workout, involving your entire body rather than just focusing on one area. 3. Improves flexibility. Planks can also help improve your flexibility. In yoga, the plank position and side plank are essential for building core strength and improving flexibility. They help stretch the hips and thighs, and if you're working toward more advanced poses like handstands or headstands, planks are a great way to build the foundation. 4. Breathing techniques. Planks provide an opportunity to work on your breathing techniques. Your breathing tends to become more shallow during a plank, which is a perfect time to practice diaphragmatic breathing. While holding the plank, take a deep breath. Hold for 2 seconds while flexing your abs, then exhale. Repeat this 6 to 8 times to enhance your core engagement and breathing. Conclusion. The plank exercise strengthens your core while engaging your entire body. If you're looking to improve flexibility or focus on your breathing techniques, plank exercises should be a part of your fitness routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Keep planking and stay fit. I hope this helps for your YouTube video.